Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter cup cookies, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a small bowl add the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined and set it aside. Then in a larger bowl, add the softened butter, sugar, brown sugar, and peanut butter, and beat them with an electric mixer for a few minutes. Then add in the egg and the vanilla extract and beat them in for about a minute on high speed. Then add in the milk and mix it in until it's combined. Then add in the dry ingredients and mix them in with a rubber spatula until they're combined. Scoop the cookie dough into 2 ungreased mini muffin pans and bake them in the oven for about 8 minutes. Meanwhile, unwrap 48 mini peanut butter cups. And once the peanut butter cookies come out of the oven, immediately place a peanut butter cup into the center of each one. And once you're done, remove them from the pans and let them cool completely. And that's how to make peanut butter cup cookies. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.